Biotronics Magneto plus laser therapy device. This is Magneto therapy device and laser therapy combination. Magneto therapy 6T 6 Tesla and laser therapy 5600 milliwatt. Class 3 laser therapy device and the power of the same is 5600 milliwatt. So you can see this is how device looks like that. This is Biotronic branded device and this is the main screen. I have already filled the water from the back side. I have filled the water in the Magneto. And you have to fill distilled water or deionized water is the same to operate. Now when I touch the screen, you can see this is the password section. The default password is 6 times 0, but you can also modify the same and put according to your needs, so that person who knows the password can only operate the device. Currently I am putting the default 00000 6 times and sure. So you can see this is the Magneto section and this is the laser section. You can see the quality of the product, the device. This is the quality. This is the metallic body. You can see the quality. This is the applicator. You can see this is the quality of the applicator. You can see the applicator, and this is the applicator for Magneto. This is the heavy duty pipe you can see, and this is the stand. You can see the quality. The stand is to hold the applicator. You can change the position of the stand according to the patient sitting position or standing position. Like you need to rotate the same, you can move the same. This arm can also be moved. This arm can also be moved from there. So you can see, you can adjust the same and you can put the same in this. And this is the laser. This is the class 3 laser. You can see there are 16 diodes, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 16. There are 808 nanometer diode and there are 8650 nanometer diode. So the total power of the cluster probe is 5600 milliwatt, 5600 milliwatt. So this is class 3 laser, and you can use either the laser or you can also use the Magneto. This is the quite heavy duty handle. The weight of the same is around 1 kg. So that's the quality of the product, and you can combine and simultaneously use both the devices. So you will get the Magneto from the same, and you will get the laser also. Now I will show you the demo of the device and by operating one by one Magneto and explaining all the features of Magneto and laser therapy. So this is a Magneto here. You can see in the section. You can see this is the time setting. I can increase or decrease the time up to 30 minutes. This is the energy level. Now there are body parts also shown over here. There are 10 body parts body joints on which you can use the Magneto. And this is the elbow, lumbar, shoulder, groin, spine, cervical spine, hip joint, hand, thighs, knee, ankle. So if I select a particular joint, the recommendation parameter is here. You have to use the same for 20 minutes. Energy recommended is 40%, and the same can be used for arthrosis and leaves of tissue damage. For the hand, for carpal tunnel syndrome you can use, and the recommendation thing is. So everything is recommended in the same. You have to select the joint and go on the same. This is the shoulder section. Now in the shoulder section you got two modes, MT and ST. MT mode is the mode which produce lower frequency range from 1 Hz to 50 Hz, between 1 Hz to 50 Hz, 50. And there you can set 3 frequency for the same, F1, F2, F3. Like In the F1 I select 3 Hertz. In the F2 I select the maximum 50 Hertz. And in the F3 I select the middle range. So like I select 24. So you can see F1, F2, F3, the lowest frequency, the highest frequency of the range, and the middle one. So I have selected the 3 frequency to show you the how frequency. The 3 frequency will keep on rotating when I start the same, and I will get first 3 Hertz and then another frequency and then another. So I will show you the demo now. You can see I'm putting the same over here and I'm feeling the effect of the magnetic field in my hand. You can see the frequency change. You can see F2 is blinking over here, means 50 Hertz I am getting right now. When the same will be shifted to another, the other parameter will grow. This is the 50 Hertz I am getting. You can see 50 Hertz and F2 is blinking. Now you can see the change in the frequency, and now F3 is blinking. So I am getting 24 Hertz now. So now you can hear the sound has again changed. Now it is 3 Hertz. I am getting 3 Hertz frequency and F1 is blinking here. So all the 3 frequency is getting rotated in the same, and the frequency which is I am getting at that time, it will be shown by blinking of the same. Like F2 is blinking, I am getting 50 Hertz frequency. You can see that when I am putting the hand like this, I am getting the frequency. The depth of the same is 18 centimeters. The magnetic field is that strong, the depth of the same is 18 centimeters. I am easily able to feel the same in my hand. So this is the empty mode, and this is the energy section. Currently I was using the 50%. I can increase the same to the 100 or the lesser or the recommended one. So this is now I am getting the full energy now, 90%, 95 in the multiple 100. So this is the maximum intensity I am getting. Now I am decreasing the same because that is too much for me. So you can see this is the empty mode where you can set 3 frequency parameters, and this frequency parameter will keep on rotating, and you will be getting all these 3 frequencies you have selected, and the body recommendation part you have already seen. Energy you can verify. Timer is getting decrease of you can see this. So now there is a second mode which is the automatic ST mode. ST mode means the magnetic field with the higher frequency ranges will be produced in the same 100 to 300 kilohertz frequency range will be there in the same. So this is the already preset program. You don't need to put any frequency because the range is quite high. So already fitted graph is here. You can see automatic frequency state. So this is the automatic frequency state. I just need to select the area and start the state. So now you can see the change in the sound because the frequency is higher over here, and I can feel the magnetic field on my hand. So you can see the graph is going on and frequencies keep on changing with the fixed state. I can use the same on my knees also, because this is the shoulder section. This is the shoulder section, so I can use the same on the shoulder. And I am feeling the magnetic field there on my shoulder. I am feeling like that something is squeezing and something is putting some energy inside the same. I am getting the blood flow over that area. So this is how powerful magnetic device is. The magnetic device produces the magnetic therapy, magnet waves, which goes inside the cells and activates the same and increase the flow of the nutrients and blood in the affected tissue area, and you will get the rehabilitation and healing. So you can see this is the ST mode. When I stop the same, I go to the shoulder, I go to the hand section, go sure, start the ST mode. ST mode is selected, the already preset program is there, and you will get the same. So this is the magneto section. It's quite effective device with the premium quality and everything. And now you have also, while the other models in the market is just the Magneto only, or Magneto with the infrared ray, but we don't provide the infrared. We are providing laser with the same. While other models in the market is only Magneto, but or with the IR infrared. But infrared laser is more effective in study and all than infrared. So we are providing the same with the latest technology, Magneto and infrared. Magneto and laser therapy. So this is the laser therapy. Now I have shown you the Magneto section. Now I will show you the laser section. You can see this is the class 4 laser. Class 3 laser, and the power of the same is 5600 milliwatt. You can see the diodes and all. Now I will operate the same and show the same. There are 810 nanometer diode, laser diode, and 8 650 nanometer laser diode. The color of the 650 nanometer is red one, and the other one is the 810, which is not visible to the human eye. So when I start the same, you can see the intensity is currently 5%, and you can see the laser. Now I am increasing the intensity. Now I am increasing the intensity 5, 10, 15. You can see the change in the laser. The red line indicates the 650 nanometer, and the one which is not visible to human eye. I am feeling a gentle prickle heat on my hand when I use the same within 5 to 10 seconds. And this is a cold laser and therapeutic laser, 5600 milliwatt laser, and you can use the same laser separately or Magneto separately to patient, or you can use both the device simultaneously. You can combine the same also. You have that attachment over here. You need to put the same in that attachment. So you are getting laser also, you can see, and laser is also, you can change the same in the frequency pulse mode also. You can see it is the pulse mode, or you can also operate the continuous mode. So pulse mode, you have all the frequency 5, 10, 40, 20 and all. So this is the, and now I am putting the same on continuous mode. So now I will start the Magneto also. So you can see Magneto also I am getting, and also getting the laser on my hand. And you can see the laser plus Magneto. So I am getting the Magneto effect also, I am getting the laser effect. So the dual modality is used to enhance the healing and recovery process. So that is the advanced laser technology we have used, and this is by the Biotronics company. Biotronics is international LLP, and our brand name is Biotronics Solution. So you can see the device, and now I will stop the laser also. I will stop the Magneto also. I will put the same in the handle, or I will just put the same in the floor. This is the stand for the Magneto device that can be adjusted as per the patient position, and this is the stand for the laser. And I have already put the water in the same for the operation, because before using the same, you have to put the water from the back side. There are three. One is input slot, one is overflow, and one is output. So when you will put the water in the input slot with the pipe, when the tank will be full, you will be getting the water from the output from the overflow. So when you getting water from the overflow, that means water has been filled. Now you need not to put more water in the same, and now you can operate the device. And if you want to remove the water also, this is the automatic removal of water program. You need to start the same, and the water will be removed from the outlet section, and the device will be then without water. So this was the complete demonstration of the device, Biotronics Magneto laser therapy device, and you can see the quality of the product and all. And thank you for watching.